Welcome student for maths class chapter number 6, the triangle and its property, part 2. In the last video we already discussed about the triangle, its property. We also study about the medians of triangle. Okay, now we are going to study briefly what is the medians of a triangle. Here see, given a line segment, you know how to find its perpendicular bisector by paper folding. Okay, cut out a triangle ABC from a piece of paper. Here in the figure shown, that is 6.3. See, consider any one of its side, say BC. Okay, so BC is a line segment. By paper folding, locate the perpendicular bisector of this BC. So the folded crease meets BC at D. So when you fold it, it will meet a point. That name is given here, D. So D, its midpoint, and then join the AD. Okay. Now here in this figure, I already shown here. Okay. So the line segments AD, the line segment AD join the midpoint of BC, okay, to its opposite vertex A is called as the median of the triangle. Okay, so how you find? With the help of the folding paper, we are finding here medians of a triangle. So consider the side AB and CA and find two more medians of the triangle. So what is the median of the triangle? We can understand here with the help of this definition. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So here in this figure, it's given that a median is what here? AD, okay, where A is the vertex of a triangle which joined the midpoint of the opposite side. Here BC is a line segment, okay. So A meets here D. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. So in this way we are finding the medians of a triangle. Next, about the attitudes of a triangle. So look at here, making a triangular shape cardboard given here. Okay, the name given here ABC. Now place it upside on a table. How long is the triangle? Now look here, the height is the distance from the vertex A, okay, which showing in the figure 6.4 to the base BC. So BC is the base here and A is the vertex. Now from A to BC, okay, BC is a line segment. From A to BC, you can think of many line segments, okay. Here in the next figure given here 6.5, where A is the vertex and we are thinking for many line segments, okay, which among them will represent its height. Okay, now we are forming many lines from there and you have to think which is the correct height representing from these lines. So the height is given by the line segment that start from A, okay, and comes straight down to BC. Which line we are considering? The line which come from A and come down straight to BC and is perpendicular to BC. So when we are saying about the perpendicular, that means it's forming 90 degree on both the side. So such type line only we are going to say they are perpendicular. So among these lines we find this L is an perpendicular line, okay. AL is an perpendicular line on BC. So the line segment AL is an attitude of the triangle, okay, and attitude has one end at a vertex of the triangle and the other on the line containing the opposite side. Through each vertex an attitude can be drawn, okay. So here in this way we understand what is the attitude of a triangle. So on the basis of these two concepts, we are going to solve our exercise 6.1. Okay. So see the first question. In a triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. Okay. I will repeat again. In a triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR, then PM and PD is. Okay, if QM equals to MR, then how we are finding, just see here. Now in the question what given, midpoint what given here, QR. D is the midpoint of QR, so D is here, which is the midpoint of QR. So QR is a line segment, okay, and D is the midpoint. Then PM is here and PD. In that QM, okay, QM and Q, this one is QM, okay, and MR, are they equal? So when PM, okay, P to M is an attitudes and PD is a median. Now we already study about the median and attitudes. Attitude which forming the 90 degree and medians which is a point on the center of a line segment which is opposite of the vertex. So no, it is not like that. That means QM is not equals to MR, okay, because D and P, it is not a median, okay, that's why D is not a midpoint of QR. Okay, so we will write that QR is not equal to MR. Okay, though QR is a midpoint, we find that D is there, but the length of this QM and MR is not same. Okay, so we have to write the answer, it's no. Next question here, draw rough sketch for the following. So here first one are given, in a triangle ABC, BE is an median. So this is a rough figure I drawn here. ABC is a triangle, in that B is a vertex, okay. From the B we are drawing what, median. So first figure according to the question. Second what given here, in a triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the attitudes of the triangle. So here we have shown that PQ and QR are the attitude of triangle. That means they are forming their 90 degree. Okay, so it is a rough diagram shown here. Third one, in that a triangle XYZ, okay, so this is XYZ, in that YL is an attitude in the exterior of the triangle. So here YX and Z, okay, so here it is a triangle and we are forming an attitude that is YL, okay, which forming a 90 degree, but it is in the exterior of the triangle. Next, see, verify by drawing a diagram if the medians and the attitude of a isosceles triangle can be same. Okay, in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. Now we are talking about the isosceles, that means two sides are same, AB is equals to AC. Okay, now draw AD as a median of the triangle. Okay, AD is a median forming 90 degrees, or we can say it is perpendicular on the line BC. So measure the angle ADC. With the help of the protractor, we find that ADC will be what? It is equals to 90. Thus, AD is a median as well as attitudes. Okay, because it is the D is a midpoint of BC as well as it forming 90 degree. So it is an attitude also and median also of the triangle ABC. Hence it is verified that the given ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. Thank you.